Someone might have retired from managing your Facebook page or any case like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove admin from Facebook page. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open up our Facebook app right here. And from your homepage or from any other page, just click on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on Pages right over here. So this page should show you the pages that you manage, so you can just click on Switch Now on the page that you want to remove an admin from. So click on Switch Now, and once you have switched to your Facebook page, click on View Tools right over here and click on Page Access. So if you don't see it, just swipe through or click on See All right over here and click on Page Access. Now from here, I currently have one other admin from this page. So also you have to keep in mind that you should be an admin yourself to be able to remove another admin from a Facebook page. Now for example, I want to remove this certain admin right here. So in line with that admin, you can see the three dotted icon. So tap on that. And immediately you have the option to remove them from the page. So click on Remove from Page and you will be asked to enter your password. So just do so. Click on Confirm and wait for it to load. Now you have successfully removed the admin from your Facebook page. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.